Now, maintenance for a lot of people seems like an uphill battle, and I don't think he did very much maintenance on his Camaro. But that's where we come in. That's all right. All right, we're gonna start with the mass airflow sensor. You guys seen these before. Every car, well, most cars have them. And this is a simple thing to clean, right? Now, you're gonna find this thing living right here next to the air box. Just slides in like so. Now, this is easy to clean. A lot of people clean it actually in the air box, or just pull it out like we did. Now, whenever you want to clean one of these, CRC is the way to go. CRC, Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner. Simple too, they give you a little straw. And what you want to do, protect yourself first. They recommend you spraying it like 10 good blasts. So when you hold it out here, this is where the air comes across. Whenever you get some sort of debris, I mean, it could be something simple like a little bug or anything like that, dirt, sand. And they also recommend coming back here and actually spraying it here into contact too. Just get any debris that might be in there. After that, this is where it gets really complicated. You simply just put it back in and plug it back up.